2, 6 proven secrets of good practices to adopt in order to effectively use your credit card to improve your credit score. In this video, I will share with you the link between your credit card and your credit score. Secret number 1, have an open-ended credit card with variable interest rates. The credit scoring system wants to know that you can handle different types of debt. Having both revolving debt and installment debt where you make regular payments are vital. Make sure you have a mixture of credits such as mortgages, revolving accounts like credit cards, and installment loans, and manage them responsibly. Secret number 2, don't close your credit card account. Closing your credit score account could hurt your score big time. Why? Because it could cause your credit utilization ratio to rise since you have less available credit. I suggest you cut up your card or put it away in a safe box instead of closing your account if you don't trust yourself with your card. Secret number 3, don't run up your credit card balances. Remember, your debt to total limit ratio, which is the amount of debt you carry, accounts for 30% of your FICO score, and this is a big factor on your scoring model. Secret number 4, never use your credit card to fund irresponsible spending. Make sure to pay the outstanding balance on your credit card every month. Do not leave on the available balance on your credit card. Secret number 5, avoid using credit cards to pay off debt. It may mean cutting back on some expenses, and it will be worth it when you reduce your debt. But never use your credit to pay off other debt. You might not be able to pay it back on time, let alone in full, and this will dent your credit score badly. Secret number 6, use your credit card interest rate to your advantage. According to the National Credit Regulator in South Africa, the maximum interest rate on credit card is 20.5%, while the maximum interest rate on personal loan is 27.5%, a whopping 7% difference. Of course, interest rates offered are dependent on individual risk profile. One of the keys to a higher credit score is using your credit cards responsibly, consistently over a long period of time. 6 easy, street smart tips to optimize your credit score with your credit card.